arms position.
Now for the first position, you have to raise your both arms in front of you, slightly bend your elbow, and make sure that your hands is facing on your chest, and the fingertips is about an inch apart. Now for the second position of the arms, you have to raise your both arms sideward, make sure that your palms is facing upward position, slightly bend your elbow, and it should be at shoulder level. Now for the third position, raise sideward as in second position, and the other arm raised upward. Now for the fourth position, one arm raised forward as in first position and the other arm raised overhead. Now for the last position of the arms, you have to raise your both arms upward.